Hi guys, I know a lot of you have been wondering why we use this for our installation. I know most people have been wondering why do we use this? Why don't we just place the solar panels on the roof and use banding wire to hold it to the roof? First, you have to understand that this plays an important role aside just holding the solar panels to the roof. If you use aluminium interlock to hold your panels to the roof, it gives the panels airflow beneath. So that airflow will not allow your panel cells to burn out within short period of time, because if your solar panel is exposed to a harsh temperature, there are tendencies or possibilities that within 3-4 years your solar panel cells will start getting burnt, and that burnt will reduce the efficiency of the solar panel. Because without using this, your solar panel will not have airflow beneath it, and that will affect your solar panels. So that is the reason why we use this aluminium profile. You know, the foreign type used for mounting solar panels are very expensive, so we came up with this alternative. We use this together with bolt and nut to hold your solar panels to the roof, and aside holding the solar panels to the roof, it prolongs your solar panels lifespan. Here we have 12 units of 500 watt from Seawatt, which we are about to mount. Though here is an existing system. We installed the inverter and the battery about 2 or 3 months ago, so the client decided to add these 5 solar panels. So that is the importance of using aluminium profile. But what are the necessary tools you will need to use this aluminium profile? First, you will need your measuring tape. Your measuring tape is used to measure the length and the width of your solar panels in order for you to know how proper you will position your aluminium profile. And aside this, I noticed that some installers use these nails. That nail might end up getting your roof damaged, and before you know, you start looking for flash band or you start looking for silicone to cover your leaking roof. So the best thing to use is your drilling machine. So I have my drilling machine and I have my measuring tape, which I'll be using in order for me to mount the aluminium profile properly. Aside this aluminium profile, we have bolt and nut, because you cannot just mount this aluminium profile on the roof and decide to place your solar panels on it without you holding your solar panels to it. If you just place your solar panels on this, after mounting this to the roof, your solar panels will slide down and will get broken. So we use this. This is bolt and nut, right? We use this bolt and nut to hold the solar panels to this aluminium profile. This time around we got 2 washers because we couldn't go for the 17 bolt and nut, so we got the 14 bolt and nut. You have small washer. The small washer will first go in. You see it? When the small washer first go in, then you put the second one before you put your nut. We have nuts. You put your nut to this, right? So you have your bolt, you have your small washer, your big washer. The small washer, the reason for this small washer is so that it will enter into this space. You can see it is now very firm. So we will drill this profile into the roof. That's the wood holding your roofing sheet or your roofing whatever. We'll drill this profile into it, then slot this bolt and nut into this profile. Once we slot this bolt and nut into this profile, we will now lay the solar panels on this, right? When we lay the solar panel on this, we'll lay another one on this. This will stand in between the 2 panels. When it stands in between the 2 panels, you can now, bolt it. When you bolt it, even though your village people decide to come and remove your solar panels in the night, they will not be able to remove it, except you have another village person that is living inside your house that knows how to access your roof. So this is the best way to install your solar panels. I know some of you will be like, accessories are expensive. Yeah, they are actually expensive because they will prolong your solar panels lifespan. So if you don't like spending for accessories, you like using banding wire, you are reducing, 1, your solar panel efficiency, 2, your solar panel lifespan. Because if your solar panel is exposed to too much harsh weather, there is no airflow beneath your solar panels, it will reduce efficiency and it will reduce lifespan. So watch out as we carry out this installation. So I'm going to demonstrate how we mount this profile to the roof, right? I hold the profile. I've already mounted one, so I decided to use this one as a demonstration for those of you that don't understand how this is done. First, you have to mark out places you want your solar panels to be installed. I've been doing this for longer. I don't really have to mark out the place. I will just use my measuring tape, knowing fully well that this is the width of my solar panel. So I'm going to use 2 screws to hold this to the roof. The reason for this and the reason why you need drilling machine is because this will make a direct hole to your roof instead of using hammer to hammer everywhere and damaging your roof. This will not allow that to happen. All you have to do is to place this where there is wood. So this is how you know wood is available on the roof, where there are nails, right? So this is the nail line, and from here there is an indication that there is roof. Don't drill here, right? This is waterway. This is where water passes when it rains, so you don't have to drill here. All you have to do is to use here and here. Don't use here. Avoid using here, because if you drill here, there are possibilities that water might get into the roof. So place your aluminium profile with this ray facing up, because this is where your bolt and nut will get into. You place it on the roof like this, right? You can use middle and this last side, or middle and this other side. So all you have to do is to place your drilling screw. Sun is coming up. Will be done before the sun becomes harsh. So drill this into the roof. Make sure it gets to the wood. If you didn't get to the wood, you still check another place, because some places the wood might have got rusted and the screw will not hold. So I'll use this other side, because this side didn't hold very well. So I've gotten wood here. So make sure the stuff is firm. This is not firm. I'll still add another one. But if you observe this is very firm, because I was able to get to the wood. So this is how you lay your aluminium profile for your panels. So we are now done with the laying of the profile. The next thing we'll be doing now is to lay our solar panels. If you observe, we have already put our bolt and nuts in between the profile. You can see the bolt and nut can slide easily. You can slide it out, or you slide it in, right? So our profile is firm to the roof. Make sure your profile is firm to the roof, or your village people organize breeze party and you end up looking for your solar panels the next day. So the design which we did